Could you share a bit about the trial advocacy program at BYU?
Yeah, well, so we have a nice trial advocacy program. So we have obviously start second year, you can get involved with that and do a number of competitions, in fact, with a variety of topics. One unique thing that we're doing though that sort of jump starts that trial advocacy piece. I think we're moving. This will be our third year doing this, but it is our it's like a boot camp essentially. So after the first year, the first week after the finals are done, we have what's called our Trial Advocacy Academy, our Trial Academy. So it's like a week-long intensive. People that are interested in trial work come and do this, and it's free for our students. We bring in some top trial attorneys from around the country to come and basically coach them, work them through, teach them some of those practical skills that the first year they might not be picking up just because it's so foundational. But it also helps them dive into that and be ready for that first summer of those internships. And so, so our Trial Academy, there's some neat things happening there. Interestingly, it was so successful when we did that first one, we've added some other academies. So we have our Deals Academy, where this last year we took a dozen students to New York City, worked at a law firm for like the 3 or 4 days. Professors went out there with them, working through what mergers and acquisitions do they look like, doing the transactional law. So for those that are interested in trial work, they have that. There's the transactional side. This year we're adding the Appellate Academy. So we're taking the students to DC to work on some appellate work, to kind of throw them into that world. And then we've got one other one that's kind of in the works for Silicon Valley out in San Francisco. So we'll see when that comes together. So it's kind of exciting, doing some neat things.
Those sound great, like great opportunities to actually get some hands-on experience that's much more practical in nature.
Yeah, and that Deals Academy, like I think every student that I spoke to who went out there, they said that was such a highlight for them. And most of them are like, okay, I'm heading back to New York. That's my goal now. They just fell in love with the city, fell in love with the pace and the life there. And so, which is what they had in mind. They thought that's what they wanted, but they really sealed the deal with them. And they made some great connections too out there. So.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.